So I've been talking a lot about our AI SDR, and I've said that I'm going to share everything as part of this journey. So this is an early demo of what our platform looks like so far and what we've actually developed. Now, there's quite a lot of work that we're still working on, and that is to be completed in the next month and a half. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of a demo of what we've built so far. This is what the dashboard looks like, and I've shared something on LinkedIn recently. But for me, looking at high level, how my campaign is actually performing is an absolute must. So on the dashboard itself, and I'm looking away from the camera because I've got another screen I'm looking at. So this is where you'd be able to see the your campaign performance. So how many appointments that you've actually booked, how many leads have been contacted by the SDR, how many calls were answered, how many calls were unanswered. So every single thing, the idea behind it is you should be able to see at a high level when you click on the dashboard. Now, obviously, all of these metrics and all of these analytics are not here right now, but the plan is to include all of these. So when you log onto the platform, you should be able to see how many appointments the SDR has booked, how many people were contacted, what the status is of the campaign. So all of these things are going to be included in the dashboard. The idea is that we want to be able to engage leads as soon as they show a buying intent. So we will train an agent once on your business, so it will have information about what your business does, what your services are, all of that, just like a regular new employee that you hire and you train them exactly the same way. You will train the agent once. Second step, so there's three steps. The second step is to give a context. What is the job of the agent? Again, just like a regular employee, you will tell the agent what the job of the agent is. And lastly, very simple, you just connect your calendar and the agent will take care of the rest of the things. So as soon as someone shows a buying intent, agent will engage that lead and then turn them into a booked appointment. Now, there's quite a lot of other things that we're working on the platform, but just to show you, this is where you can actually very easily create an agent. A few simple steps. Let's give it a name. If there's a specific phone number that you want the agent to contact if the lead talks about something specifically. So you might want a human in the loop. So this is what you can actually do that right now on the platform. And that's it. You just click on next, select the voice, and just create. Literally as simple as that. Okay, yeah, obviously I need to select and then click on next. Yeah, that's the idea behind it is we are not going to have anyone go outside of the platform. So we've made it very easy to buy the phone numbers that the agent will use to do the outbound calling and handle all the inbound leads. So you do buy a phone number and we've done all of so you just add the area code. For example, I'm looking at states right now. I'll just do a search. These are real live numbers that I can use for my AI SDR to do the outbound prospecting or handle all my inbound leads. Then I can literally just buy these numbers right now. We've only added a couple of countries right now, but obviously we're going to expand all of these into other countries as well. The next one I wanted to show is leads. So if you're running a specific campaign, we've got a bunch of leads, maybe you're running a reactivation campaign or whatever that is, you can upload a list of all of those leads into the platform and just select the agent. So if you created a specific agent for outbound, you can just select that agent, upload your lead list, and the agent will automatically take care of all of that. I'm not gonna. So the purpose of that is pretty much is to contact all of those leads as soon as someone has shown an intent to speak to you or use your service. Then the agent will automatically book a call because it will be connected to your calendar. And then you can automatically see all of those appointments that the agent has booked from the lead list that you've uploaded. So that's the idea behind uploading a lead list. It can be a reactivation campaign or it can be a new campaign that you want to reach out to all new leads. The next one is to set up the campaign. I'm not going to go a lot into that because there's a ton of work that is actually being developed right now for this. But the idea is that if you book an appointment or the agent books an appointment for you, rather, whether that's outbound or handling inbound leads, there's a couple of things that we want to handle. So things like reminders, you book an appointment and that's all well and good, but the agent needs to handle all the reminders to increase your show up rate. This is how we significantly improve the show up rate. Another thing is follow ups. The agent will automatically handle all of the follow ups. So, for example, if someone's been contacted by the agent, they haven't answered the phone, then the agent will automatically engage in a follow-up sequence, and that is all going to be customizable. You might want to send a text message after 1 hour, then try another call maybe after 2 hours. That's the idea behind that. So the campaign itself will allow you to do that. And you might want to contact a lead within a specific time. So all of these things are going to be configurable and customizable as part of the campaign. So, like I said, improving your show up rate, follow ups, just so you can book a lot more appointments, setting up everything within your campaign. So, reaching out to prospect within a specific time, and a ton more things are going to be included in the campaign itself. This is what we've included so far at a very high level. Like I said, there's only about 20 or 30% work that we've completed. But I just wanted to show you what we've built so far. So that's what it is. Um, a high level look of how the campaign is on this dashboard, the appointments, leads, everything. In this is where you actually buy the phone numbers from within the platform for outbound and inbound. This is where you create your AI SDRs to handle all your outbound prospecting and handling all your inbound inquiries. And this is where you will actually upload your lead list, whether that's a reactivation campaign, whether that is running a new campaign to new prospects. So you upload a list of leads, and the agent will automatically engage in reaching out to all of that lead list. This is where you set up your campaign. So things like how many times you want to reach out to specific lead, how many times you want the SDRs to reach out to them on the phone, on the text, improving your show up rate, improving the follow-up sequences. So when do you want the follow-up sequences to trigger? How many follow-ups do you want the agent to go through? All of these things are going to be in there. Like I said, there's going to be a ton more things that we're going to include, but that's what we've done so far. Thank you, and watch this space. I'll be sharing more details about more work that we're doing right now. If you want access to this system, by the way, so if you're someone that will actually benefit from this AI SDR to book you qualified appointments without any effort from you, then feel free to fill out this Google form because we have opened the beta access. So if you qualify, then we will give you beta access to the AI SDR. All we're asking you from the beta access using the system is to give us feedback. Is literally it, just so we can obviously improve on the system, but you get the benefit of obviously helping us shape the future of the product, plus booking qualified appointments for yourself. So yeah, fill out the form if